Now GPIO output mode. There are only two type of mode: push pull or open and open drain. In push pull it is normal, and in the open drain we see in the next slide. The GPIO is used to drive the electrical signal high or low to the pin when it is configured as output. The primarily two configuration option for GPIO output is push pull and open drain. Push pull. The state in default the GPIO modes. This state is in default. The pin can push signal high or pull it low using PMOS and NMOS transistor as we already see the previously. There is no need for pull up and pull down register as the PMOS and NMOS transistor do that job. This concept is already explained in the previous section, like you think, like here this ground here means this is already pulled down, and when a high this will go here, so this is already pull up. Understand? Okay, now open drain. So push pull is by default, we checked it previously. And now the open drain. In open drain, the GPI output mode, the output buffer is formed using PMOS and NMOS transistor. But if you remove the PMOS transistor, then it will be open drain output mode. See here, PMOS, here no PMOS. So this is called open drain pin. Okay, open drain output. So this pin only we can only configure it 0 from by using software. So this pin comes into role when we use I2C communication, like I2C pin. SDA should toggle that pin by the master. That's why. So whenever we communicate using UART, we configure the pins as open trains. Now, so when you make the NMOS too high, then it will be supply ground here. The GPIO pin low. When you turn off the NMOS, the GPIO will not connect it to either VCC or ground. It will be in floating state. So the output will either low or floating. It can pull the pin toward the ground, but it cannot drive it high. For this type output, there is need to be an external pull-up resistor added to the circuit, which will cause the line go to high when not in driving low. The name come from that MOSFET. Drain is not internally connected to anything. If we use BJT instead of MOSFET, then it is called an open collector. Open drain output are most commonly used in communication interfaces, multiple devices connected to the same line, like I2C one wire. When all the output of the devices connected to the line of high impedance state, the line is driven to an default logic 1 by pull up. Any device can pull line to logic 0 when using its open drain output. All device can see the levels. Now, the analog mode means when we configure the VGA pin as ADC, you can configure the input as an analog input. This mode connect the pin to an internal ADC analog to digital converter and allow you to read a value that represent a given voltage pin. The value depend upon the resolution of a ADC. For example, 12-bit ADC have 0 to 4095 2 to the power 12. This value is mapped to the voltage that is between 0 volt, and usually the voltage in the microcontroller is running 3.3 volt. For the example, when a GPIO is configured in analog mode, the input pull up and pull down register are disconnected and floating. Note that not all GPIOs in microcontroller can be configured as analog input. Refer to the microcontroller datasheet to know which ones can be configured as analog pin. Okay, then the last alternate function pins. GPIO pin have capability of providing an alternate function apart from the regular three mode: output, input, and this analog mode. Okay. The pins are multiplexed to provide functionality like UART, TX pin, RX pin, I2C, data pin, etc. There will be a separate register to set the alternate functions. Please check your microcontroller datasheet to know more about that. Thank you for watching. This is all we know about how the microcontroller GPIO working inside the microcontroller, how the CMOS technology used to create NMOS and PMOS transistor, and by using that NMOS and PMOS transistor we can do high and low in the microcontroller, and to read, to make it input, we have a three mode in that: floating, pull up, pull down. In output we have push pull and open train is used for the communication protocols. So this is overall summary.